Hello students, good morning. Now this is your social study class. In continuation of the chapter means of transport, today we are going to practice question answers. Text question answer. There are 4 short type question and 1 long question, that is HOTS. Okay? So today we will do 5 questions, 5 short and long questions. That means 4 short questions, 1 long questions. So one by one I will explain you. I will read the answers and you will also read it. What I will tell you the answer, just repeat it, right? Read with me. 1. Why do we need means of transport? The question is, why do we need means of transport? The answer will be, we need various means of transport to go and to send goods to different places. Okay? The answer is, we need various means of transport to go and to send goods to different places. So this is the answer for the question 1. Okay? So number 2, name 2 vehicles which are driven by animals. The question 2 is, name the vehicles which are driven by animals. Okay? So that means what type of vehicles these are? These are animal powered transport. This type of vehicles are called, it comes in the terms of animal powered transport. So you have to give 2 examples for that. Bullock cart and tonga. The answer is bullock cart and tonga. Again, you just see the question 2. I am repeating. Name 2 vehicles which are driven by animals. The answer is bullock cart and tonga. Number 3. Question number 3. What are the uses of rockets? What are the uses of rockets? Answer is, rockets are used for sending men into space. Rockets are used for sending men into space, the moon, and to study other planets. You can also write, instead of men, you can write astronauts. You can write astronauts. Okay? So rockets are used for sending astronauts into space, the moon, and to study other planets. Right? Now come on to question number 4. How do we travel by sea? How do we travel by sea? We travel by sea with the help of ship. We travel by ship with the help of ship or boat. No, this is a huge one, no? So ship is appropriate. We travel by sea with the help of ship. Okay. The last question, that is horse. Why is a camel called the ship of the desert? Why is a camel called the ship of the desert? The answer is, this is the long type answer, this is for understanding. Okay. So, camel can store water in their hump. You have seen now? Camel has a hump on the back. So, camels can store water in their hump and can survive several days without water. Their legs are long to avoid the heat of sand. Their legs are long to avoid the heat of sand. These are the features, special features. These features make them suitable for desert. These features make them suitable for desert, and so they are called the ship of desert. So they can travel in the desert comfortably. Okay. So I am repeating the answer. First, I must read the question. Why is a camel called the sheep of the desert? Answer. Listen this. I am repeating, listen it again. Camel can store water in their hump and can survive several days without water. Their legs are long to avoid the heat of sand. These features make them suitable for desert, and so they are called the ship of desert. Okay. So these are the 5 questions you have to write in your classwork copy. Students, I hope you have completed word bank that I have given yesterday, that is explain the terms. I hope you have completed explain the terms and completed the text exercises that I have told you to do in the book only. So the chapter is more or less complete, but one thing is left, that is very short type questions. Very short type questions I will give you tomorrow. I will give at least 15 very short type questions I will give you. That is also important, and I will make it inside the book, from inside the book, and you will read the chapter twice, thrice times. Okay, then you can answer any questions. Okay, one thing I must tell you, I'll give you some extra questions also. I'll give you some extra questions also, but that is related to the transport, means of transport. That and you will note down that also. Okay, very short type question answer that I will share you tomorrow, that I will make a video on it also. So this is what for today. Complete your work today only. Write down the question as well as answer. Write the date over that, chapter, date, then you will start writing question answer. How many question answers I have given? 5. 4 short type question answer and 1 long. So the class ends here, students. Good day.